From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's closing print. You know what? The Algos have run an absolute muck here, both on the upside and the downside in the S&P. There have been so many false rallies and false sell-offs today, we can't even count them. But you know what? It's been all about running sell stops and buying buys and running buy stops, and they've done a hell of a good job with that today. The high of the S&P just came in just now at 1638.80. Wow. The low came in at 1621.20, and last we're 1637.5. We are up 8.5 handles. Total volume, we've got 2.45 million minis traded and 4,500 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, we had 565 million to buy. You know what? And here's the thing: it's the first trading day of June, and we suspect that money was planned to go to work early on in the day, and all this back and forth stuff was just a prelude to the big run-up in the late afternoon. Tomorrow we've got the international trade number, we've got the Redbook, we've got Sara Bloom Raskin speaking, we've got Esther George from the Fed speaking, and we've got Fischer speaking. Now, the bonds made a little bit of a comeback today, but then they sold off. But the S&Ps, for the most part, were struggling throughout the day, and then had this big run-up late in the day. Now the question is are they going to buy them today, the first day of the new month, which they had the Dow up 18 out of the last 24 occasions, and then put more money to work on Turnaround Tuesday, which I think has been up 21 out of the last 23 occasions? That's a lot. You know what I mean? We haven't seen a lot of days like that. But anyways, we're going to leave it like that. The S&P is going out on a firm note, and we've got big volume. We'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.